Hello and welcome to this interview where we're going to answer all your questions about the W140A. My name is Daniëlle and I'm your host of today. Today, we're here in our production hall in the Netherlands, where we produce all our roasters, including the W140A. Now I'm going to introduce you to my colleague Marc, who knows all the ins and outs about this roaster.
Thank you, Daniëlle, to introduce me. My name is Marc Weber from Giesen Coffee Roasters. I am Global Sales Manager.
Great, thank you so much for joining me today, Marc. So first things first, let's take a look at the roaster. So the first question I would like to start with today is about the functionalities of the roaster, because the W140A is fully automatic, but could you explain us a little bit about how this process works?
Yes, of course. We record every process in the roasting with our own profile system, starting from green bean conveying till the end of the roast. That's in the cooling process to bringing the coffee into the destoner. All is fully automatic.
Because it also includes the control panel, right? How does that work?
Yeah, the control panel is based on the side of the roaster. It can be on the left or right hand side where the operator will stay. And we do also all the settings over that. So means if you sit next or stay next to the machine, you can operate it fully automatic and manually from that side where you are.
So, because there's also an option to roast green, right? With the catalytic converter. Could you explain us a little bit more about that?
Giesen is thinking into the future, of course, and to reducing CO2 and every kind of things in the exhaust. And we do our own catalytic cleaning system, which is very successful, very good. And this is what we can add in the systems as well, in our roast systems.
And is the W140A also suitable for beginners, or do you need to be an advanced roaster to be able to use the W140A?
You can go with as advanced roaster as well as beginners, because we use the same technology as we have in the smaller units. So compared to that, I should say it is both possible.
Okay, great. Because what's the minimum and maximum capacity of the roaster?
Yeah, we make very small batches from 35 kilograms up till 140 kilo batches. 140 kilo is for two big Columbia bags, for example, which is 69 kilos. And all these ranges between we can do with the 140.
And it's huge, so is it easy to clean it yourself, the roaster, or do you need someone else to clean it for you, or how does that work?
Daily maintenance are very easy. You have to bring out the compressed pellets from the pellet press, which is underneath our cyclone, and that's the only thing you have to do for daily maintenance. Very quick and very fast.
So now we've talked already about the difficulty level of the roaster, but could you tell us more about the roasting process itself?
Yeah, we have our green coffee conveyor system, which works with vacuum. The green beans will be delivered up into the hopper of the roaster, and starting from that point, we can do our profiling. So means that we can make a profile for the roaster, and we fill in the complete green bean hopper into the machine, and the roasting process starts. And all these kind of settings what we have in the profile will be operated from our terminal fully automatically.
Okay, great. That sounds great. And how does the link work between the profiler and the W140A?
The link between is that we have our own software, and the own software is the Giesen profiler, and both are working in combination. So we have the HMI screens, which operates the machine, and we have the profiler, which record and replay all the profiles.
I think the roaster is quite impressive. It's amazing, all the functionalities, it sounds great. But could you tell us a little bit more about the customization options? The color, can you change that yourself, or how does that work?
We have all the RAL colors, all the RAL codes, which can be choose from customer sides to the roaster. And we have as well the possibilities to make their own customer logos on the side panels of the machine. And also some small details like a special wood for the handles of the machine. And that's all what we do.
Oh, great. And how do we ensure that the customer can visualize all these options?
We do 3D drawings for customers based on their floor plan. So all the engineering will be happen here at Giesen Coffee Roasters.
And how does that work, the transportation? Since the roaster is so large, how do you transport the roaster?
We have an in-house forwarding company, and we can organize the transport worldwide from door to door.
And how would that work if I would be, for example, a customer in South America? Do you have any representative there or any support available?
Yeah, we are in 40 countries around the world with partners, and they have their own support teams as well. We can also do the support from the head office here. We're working online with them or via video call, and but basically we travel to that countries, or we have local partners which install the equipment in-house.
Okay, and the last question to conclude this interview, I would like to ask you, how would you describe the W140A in one word?
Giesen. Just Giesen.
Oh, that's a great answer. Thank you so much for joining us today, Marc.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this has been very helpful for you. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact us. See you soon.